My name is Dr. Terrie van Alstyne, and today I am demonstrating a curried chickpea salad. So I'm starting with mixed greens, or you can do straight arugula, and I've marinated the cooked chickpeas, which I cooked in a pressure cooker. By cooking them in a pressure cooker, this eliminates the gas-forming components in all beans and pulses. So it's really the only way you should be cooking beans and pulses. So I've cooked the chickpeas and I've marinated them in an organic curry powder, a masala powder, lemon juice, honey, cumin, Dijon, and some avocado oil. You can use non-processed sunflower oil instead of the avocado oil. And marinating them overnight will ensure a really strong, delicious flavor in those chickpeas. So I've finely shaved fennel. I've peeled zucchini, grated carrot. I've minced some scallions, and these are barberries. Barberries are very healthy as well. You find them in the Persian market, and I've soaked them in boiling water and then just strained them and kept them in the fridge overnight. And these are sunflower seeds that I soaked as well overnight and strained and kept in the fridge. So they're sprouted. And when you sprout anything, it increases its nutrient content and enzymes exponentially because it's starting to grow again. So you just toss a little of everything into the salad. Fennel has a wonderful licorice flavor to it. Sunflower seeds have essential fatty acids in them. Barberries are antimicrobial. They kill bacteria and viruses. And we're using the marinade as the dressing for the chickpeas in this salad. And we just toss it through.